So you're looking for the best VPN of 2026. Well, I've got a comprehensive list of some of the top contenders, and I'm going to give you my overall pick of the best VPN from a security and privacy standpoint. Let's jump in. So today we're looking at some of the top VPNs that are out there, and that is NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost. Now, I do want to say, as we get started, NordVPN and Surfshark have recently joined forces under Nord Security. They still operate a little bit differently, but they are under the same ownership. And ExpressVPN and CyberGhost now fall under the same parent company that's called Cape Technologies. So let's start by talking about the elements that they all share. All of these use the industry standard encryption. They're going to vary a little bit, but all of them are on the leading edge. The other thing that they all share, which I think is very important, is they all have a strict no logs policy, which means that any data that they receive from you, none of it is saved, meaning no logs are saved in their database. It's all deleted. It's all wiped clean as you go along. And all of them have been verified by independent audits. Those are outside companies that come in and audit what they're claiming to do. And all of them have passed with flying colors, at least at the time of recording this. Now, just touching on speed for a little bit, all of them are pretty top-notch as far as speed, but I have found that NordVPN and Surfshark tend to be a little bit faster on the speed side. The other thing that I think is important when comparing different VPNs is the location, the physical location of the company. NordVPN is based in Panama. Now, this is a country that has no data sharing obligations, okay? And that's an important distinction. Some of the other companies, like Surfshark, is based in the Netherlands, which is part of what's called the Nine Eyes Alliance, which means that they could be enforced to have to share some of their data. Now, of course, all of these companies have a no logs policy. So even if their country that they're housed in did ask for them to share their logs, they have no logs to share. But I think it's still an important distinction to look at it from that perspective to go, is the potential there or is the potential not there? And in that case, NordVPN is the one that's positioned in Panama, which has no oversight from government or any other agencies that are going to require them or even ask them to share logs, even if they had them, but they don't. And along that, all four of these companies use RAM-based storage so that it is automatically wiped clean after usage. So there's really virtually no way to store that data unless it was backed up into another server, which they don't have set up. Now, let's dive into the speed just a little bit more. Now, all four of these have very large networks and a lot of different servers, but CyberGhost really stands out with over 9,500 servers in 91 countries. So if there are specific countries that you're looking to connect to, or that you need to for work or travel or whatever the case is, you may want to take a closer look at this list and see how it compares. Now, as far as features go, I really think that NordVPN sort of has a lot of features that are offered. There's just a long list of tools from threat protection or ad blocking, split tunneling, dark web monitoring, smart play for easier access to streaming sites, tons of tools. So, you can really kind of compare and see if there's specific things that you're looking for. They have them kind of listed all on their website. And I think it just has a really robust offering, and most of them available within their basic plan. Now, each of them have some different connection limits. NordVPN will support up to 6 devices. Surfshark will allow you to connect unlimited devices. ExpressVPN, I believe, is 8 devices. And CyberGhost allows you to connect 7 devices. Again, it probably just depends on your usage. When I'm looking at comparing all of these elements, I'm looking for the best for speed and privacy. Those are the two features that are most important to me. And certainly the more devices that you connect on any VPN is going to slow down that overall connection. So if you're looking for unlimited connections or looking for additional connections, then certainly Surfshark might be the way to go to be able to connect a lot more devices if that's what you're looking for. For me, between my laptop, my phone, my iPad, I'm good to go. With NordVPN, I win out in so many other elements as far as their speed and their security and their features that I'm not concerned about the number of devices that I'm looking to connect. So overall, yeah, I really don't think you can go wrong with any 4 of these. But when you're looking for one that is going to give you the best speed and the best privacy, my pick is NordVPN. It checks all the boxes for the types of uses that I'm trying to do. And it's really a pretty reasonable price. Again, depending on the time that you're watching this, the price will vary. But I do have a link in the description. If you click on that, that'll give you the best price for NordVPN, no matter when you click on that. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.